Hi, I'm John Trishler with SPVparts.com, and today I wanted to show you a new kit that we just came out with the all-new Rigid 360 series lights. So this new 360 series light fits into our SPV Performance Parts brackets, as you'll see here in the Raptor behind me, and we're going to demonstrate these for you and show you how they look and how they work and so on. So again, one of the things I want to stress, because we came out with the 360 series kits a few years ago, so do not confuse the 360 series light with the Radiance light in our 360 series kit. So the Radiance light, another thing that we offer are the Radiance lights in the front and the back of the truck, giving you all directions around the truck, front and back, with the Radiance lights. So in the front you would have the amber backlit, and in the rear you would have the red backlit. So that is the 360 kit. This is a 360 series light. So why would Rigid name these the 360 series light? Well, it's basically because they're a round light. In the past, you would get round lights from companies like KC Highlights, but any of the other companies, Baja Designs, Rigid, and so on, they would always come out with a pod light or a square light, which is what you're used to seeing in most applications. Rigid saw an opening for a round light, and so that's why they created this series. What's cool about this series is very similar to the Radiance series lights that have become really popular. They've added some of that feature to their 360 series light as well, which is that amber backlight. Let's see here, you've got amber, red, blue, and white backlight. I don't know why anybody would want the white backlight, but typically your red, your blue, or your amber are going to be your most popular. Of course, in the front of the vehicle you can only put amber legally, and in the rear you can only put red, so keep that in mind. So the nice thing is we've actually been able to put a new kit together for you with the 4-inch 360 series round lights with our SPV Performance Parts stainless steel bracket. Our brackets actually offer more adjustability and a better layout than even the Rigid light brackets do. So we're able to combine our performance premium stainless steel brackets with these round lights and fit them in those pockets of your Raptor. So these lights actually fill up the pockets even better than the standard square pod lights. So if you like that look, you can fill those up a little bit better. And there's actually a few different variations that you can pick with this. Now, as far as the backlight goes, that amber that you'd want in the front here, that comes in, it's available in the spot version, the driving version, and the diffused version. And then there is an SAE version you can get as well, which is going to give you that street legal light, but it does not have the amber backlight in it. So remember that when you're ordering and picking out your lights for this kit. If you do the SAE, it's going to be street legal, but you're not going to have that amber backlight, so keep that in mind. If you do any of the others, you will have that amber backlight, and you'll have the effect that you're going to see here in just a minute. All right, let's go ahead and check out this Radiance 360 series round light with the amber backlight from Rigid that we have got and kitted together here with our SPV Parts brackets and hardware and wire harness into a 2019 Raptor. And again, these are going to be good for any 2017 through 2020 Raptors. Again, these are the Rigid 360 series round lights. You want to kind of think of those kind of like Rigid's version of a KC light. You know, KC had those round lights for all that time. Well, Rigid has got their own version of this, and it's a lot cooler because you've got that amber backlight that started out on the Radiance series, and now they have the round version of that. Pretty cool. So we've got 2 driving series in here, and then 1 spot pair, and the spot is to the farthest to the left here. We're gonna go ahead and turn those on to see how bright these are. So the first one there, that's our spot, and let's go ahead and check that out this way to focus there. Pretty cool, pretty bright. I could probably aim that left one just a little bit more to the right, but got a good distance to it. Let's go ahead and check out the driving pairs. All right, there's our driving pair on as well. Incredibly bright, impressive. Let's go ahead and take a look here from the driving perspective here. That's a lot of light. So again, pretty cool lights, unique design, very cool looking. Nice fit here on the Raptor.
Definitely fills up those fog pockets really tight. They do take up a little bit more room than the traditional square fog lights or cube lights. So they're gonna fill that hole a little bit more than that, but they look good. So again, if you're interested in one of these new kits, you can buy these kits at spvparts.com.
All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and go to spvparts.com to pick out your fog kit for your Raptor. And whether it be the round series 360 lights that you want to put in your truck, or the pod square Radiance or Radiance Scene 360 or front series, front and back, that you want to put in your truck, we've got them at spvparts.com. And again, the quality and the hardware that goes with them for our kits are second to none. You won't find anything else out there that compares. So check us out.